it's been a few days since we've been on camera. I won't try to do a really long intro because Jessica tells me I do too long intros. Both days that I did not carry a camera in the woods, I killed a bird. So even if I'd had a camera, y'all wouldn't have seen the kill shot. It was just kind of one of those quick pop hunts and killed a turkey. But this morning's a little different. We got some birds pinged. We got some buddies we're gonna go pick up and try to double team them this morning. We know where about 8 different gobblers are. Only thing we're fighting this morning is the wind, the rain, and the pressure's low right now. So hopefully the pressure comes up in the next hour or two and we can get on maybe a mid-morning bird, but we're still going to try early this morning, see if we can get underneath one while it's wet. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully this time I'll have the camera. Dude,
do you need the stick and stuff?
It's not good. It's wide open. It gets really wide open. I'll sit there, you so we can coordinate. I'll sit there, you so we can coordinate.
Okay. Oh, he's hammering. He just got again. They're hammering.
They're right there. I shot them right there yesterday. Like right down there in them pines. If we can get them.
Let's go get near those pines. Stay in the stick, but then get near those pines. Yeah, they're heading that way. They'll come back through this hole, right?
Yeah, I just don't know. There was so many of them yesterday. I don't know if they're going to get right here. These pines open up. If we got in them pines, we'd kill them. I'm scared if we get right here, they're going to do like they did yesterday and hang up. They hung up yesterday right there.
He's gone.
They're going further down the field.
Let's sit right here.
We want to get a little closer to the edge because they're still kind of looking for us.
Oh, yeah, they know. Yeah, y'all go sit together. Listen, I gotta sit somewhat close to film. Brad, they're liable to come right down through there. Going further? get kind of aggressive. They're going further away. They coming.
Y'all see anything? They go down that hole.
They're probably down in that hole where the woods are.
They covered a lot of freaking ground.
They gobbled.
That wasn't no pepper.
Just now, they just gobbled right here at maybe even on the other side of it just now.
You think they crossed all the way? Because, I mean, we can get back there.
We can't hunt that right there. Ain't no way we get her out through there. They circled back up. I said, they're going to circle up and come right in.
I thought they were about to come in.
Yeah, I thought they were going to pop in right here.
Yesterday when they was out there, they was 100 yards out yonder. They come right up through there.
You killed them right here yesterday?
In there, right up
That
in
might
there.
be why they didn't want to come in.
He's out of your way.
Still.
No, move that big one out of your way. This one. If I put my foot down, it's going to block you. We caught it here today, we didn't know it, so we got down here at 2. And they was on us for 2 minutes. Do what? I do. What's he gonna do? That was awesome. Dude, he's right there in the field. He's on the field.
Well, I thought I had to pee. Now I really got to pee. The adrenaline's
Jess, we gotta get you set up.
I'm carrying all this stuff.
No, he's not. Is he?
What?
Yeah, on that hill.
Yeah. Well, let's not go
How are we going to get
to him.
If we go-
busted?
We can't. There ain't no way to get on him. He's right there.
Hold on.
If we get down the water line, is that what you're saying?
I'm gonna be. That gobble was like.
Legit. Yeah. We're 100% sure he's across the creek.
Yes.
What if you heard
he's in the
walking?
corner of that field. He's in the corner of that field. Let's he's
Do that
he's
again.
100 yards.
Do it
away.
again.
He's in that close. He's 100 yards. He's in that field. Yeah, I mean, I think he'll move. I think he'll move. If we go down this way, is it pretty over there? How much have you been?
Oh, it's wide open. But if we get too far down there, he's gonna see.
No. Let's go back this way. See this right here. Let's go on the back side of it. It's a field like this. And there's trees.
Yeah, they're down to the left a little bit. That's a dog back to your right.
Cross the dog.
Okay.
You can shoot this one.
We gonna try.
Man, why do we gotta go? We're just gonna sit right there with y'all.
Yeah.
Do what? What? Well, it's been a very eventful morning. The first place that we decided to go was kind of a last resort. Like, we really didn't even want to go there, but I was like, well, they was there yesterday. Let's swing by, see if we can get one right off the roost. If we can't, you know, we'll leave. Well, we went there. Didn't hear nothing. Rode by another spot before we went to our main spot that we knew they'd be around like 8:30. And there's two strutters standing right where we would have been sitting if we'd have went there at daylight. They hammered probably 50 times, and they just finally just left. Went the other way. So we took off real quick, got up the road, got up to the other spot we was gonna go. We get up there, and they are sitting right where we would be sitting. They were standing right there. So we were late. So we tried to get around them, get set up on them. We sat, how long we sat?
Probably an hour.
Probably an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, somewhere around there. And never heard a peep, not a gobble, not a yelp, nothing. We snuck around like we tried to get on them. I don't know where they went. Then we come back to the first spot that we went this morning where we didn't hear nothing. And stopped, blew the crow call, and he hammers like 100 yards away. He probably gobbled 12, 13 times all the way as we're walking to set up. I mean, it's literally, what time did he gobble? 11:45?
Yeah.
11:45. And we got in there, and Cody started doing a soft yelp, soft clunks, and he just hammered. We got there, set up on him. He gobbled, then just shut up. So we shut up. And so he's going to come walking right in. He's going to come in silent, and we're going to hear spitting and drumming here in a minute, or we're going to hear him walking. Well, we sat there about 30 minutes. Never heard another peep, yelp, cut, cluck. We did everything. We threw everything at him. Crow called. He never said another peep. So we snuck around, tried to get around him. We have no clue where that bird went. So I think we're done for the day. We might go back this afternoon. Just depends on what we got going on, but hopefully Jess might go back in the morning and set up and just soft call and see if she can get on one by herself. Maybe that's what she needs.
I need something.
You need something, so I've done killed the mojo, so y'all stay tuned and hit a like button and a subscribe button.